Once you sign in to Showit, it will bring you to this page. You'll click on Open Design App. You'll see your list of websites. You click on the one you want, and it will bring you to this interface. So this is your mobile view here and your desktop view here. Keep in mind that once you change something on either of these, you will have to make sure it's the same on both of them as well. For example, if you change, the orientation of the text on the desktop view, you will have to also change it on the mobile view. These buttons down here can toggle back and forth to get you to the view that you require. There's the zoom in and zoom out buttons down here so you can see the whole page. On the top left, we have the Site tab, which includes all of your pages throughout your website. And it also includes the media library where you upload all of your images and videos, your design settings that includes all of your fonts and color settings, and your site settings for your domain name, your social media information, Google Analytics information, all of that. Down to the bottom right, we have the undo and redo buttons. For example, if I accidentally moved my text in the wrong place, I can just undo it. Easy as that. Now, the right side of this interface is the more technical side. So we have the information about the canvas. The canvas is each of these sections. The backgrounds, any animations that you may have, transitions, scroll actions, anything like that. That would probably already be set up for you once you get to the stage. Then we have the publish button on the top right. So any changes that you've made to your website and you want it to be live, you can go ahead and click publish. Are you ready to publish? Yes, I am. So I'm going to hit publish. And then it says your site has been published, and you can actually go ahead and view that live. So here are three important buttons at the bottom here. This is for your text, this is for objects, and this is for your media library. So if you click on media library, you can choose a picture, add to page. You can undo that if you like. In your objects, there's rectangles, lines, icons, all different kinds of things that you can add here. And in your text button here, you'll find title, heading, subheading, and paragraph. These all will coincide with your design settings that we set up earlier. A couple things to note about Showit is that you need to use it on the Chrome web browser. Also, you need to use it on a desktop and not on any type of mobile device. Desktop or laptop is fine.